Good morning students. Today I am going to show in this video how to insert audio clip in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation slideshow and how to play background sound across the slides. So it is very important whenever you want to give any presentation to the audience or customers. So if presentation is going on, if music is there, it will be very useful to you. Okay, so first what you have to do, click on the start button, then you open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so these are all the slides. Here I will take one example, one PowerPoint slide. So this is the slide. Here I am going to show you this one. Okay, so this is the small slide. If I am going to show these slides to the students or customers, whatever it may be, so instead of that we want to play the background music. Okay, then first you go to the first slide and insert menu, and you select the audio option, and here there are three options are there: audio from file, which is downloaded from Google or any file, and clipart default will be there, and record audio. Using this microphone you can record your own voice. Now I am going to take this one, audio from file. Okay, so this I am adding, already downloaded this MP3. Okay, just you insert. Just wait, it will adding the slides to you. Okay, now it is showing. Just if you want to move, you can move. Okay, if you want to change the color also, you can change the color of this also, like this here, and like this here. Okay, and after that you go to the background. This is the styles also. If you want to put, you can put styles also. Okay, now I will show. Just you click on, so you will listen the some music. Okay, now I will go to the playback. Okay, now this option is very important. So volume, so I am putting very high, because if more audience are there, if you put low, the audience will be get bored, they will not show attention on the presentation. If you put high, I will recommend to put the high volume. Okay, then this is the very important. Okay, so here three options are there. It will be the default will be selected on click. If you click, select on click. Okay, so if I present the screen here, see here, so when I click, so this is also important. So I want to hide this one, just press escape button and hide during show. This is very important, hide during show. Just you click on, then you present down, and you will not. Then if you click with mouse, so I am presenting the screen. Now you see here. Okay, now if you observe here, if it is going to the second slide, it is not playing. Okay, so for this we had to take the play across slides. This is very important. If you want to play music whole slides, because I am having the 10 slides. Okay, during the presentation of the all these slides, if you want to play music, you can select this option, play across the slides, and loop until stop. If I press stop, then only it will stop. And this option is very important. Suppose if your music is very small and your presentation is very lengthy, then if music is completed, again music will not continue. At that time what you have to do, it will continue you can like this. Now I'm playing. See here, just I'm presenting the screen. See here. So this is the first slide. I'm explaining here about the Facebook and YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, because I'm 5th slide, 6th slide, 7th slide, 8th slide, 9th slide and 10th slide. So in this way, whenever your slide is completed, it will automatically stop the music. So in this way you can add the music to your PowerPoint. Thank you.